Hey, welcome back to the channel. So crypto has suffering a pretty significant dip from yesterday into today. What's going to come next? We're going to talk about this. This is definitely crypto news that you need. And that's what I enjoy bringing you is crypto news today so that you know exactly what is going on with crypto in your portfolio. So do two things if you would. Hit that like and that subscribe button below. That subscribe button below is free, by the way. It just means you want to follow my content. And if you're over on X, hit that follow button if you are interested in doing so. Okay. So as I mentioned, look, here's what's going on. We are now in October, otherwise known as Uptober, which is a good thing. Okay. I'm going to share with you kind of some stuff that I see that's going to happen. We're going to look back a little bit and we're also going to look forward and we're going to see what is next. Now, as I mentioned at the top of the video, crypto is suffering this pretty significant dip where we've seen this number, 2,210,000,000,000. We were at about 290 billion. So we've lost about 90 billion in market capitalization, give or take, in the last 36 to 48 hours. Is this something to be worried about? Is this something to be stressed about? No. In my opinion, this is the down before we begin to move back up. Remember that we had approximately about 11 or 12 days more where we saw some significant move up. And if we look at like the 1 month, like right here on Bitcoin, where we saw Bitcoin go from, actually from early of last month all the way 53,000 all the way up to 65,000. So that was about a 28-day move, but a lot of that movement really started in the last 2 or 3 weeks of September, which was surprising on a different note. Okay. And I'm going to share with you this chart just a minute. We're going to dive into this. This is another view of that Bitcoin chart we just looked at. You can see like right here, we went from here all the way to there. In 12 days, we went up about 11 or 12%. By the way, that is my trading indicator, my software that I spent $10,000 building. If you're interested, links in the description below. It can help you know when the exact perfect time is to buy and sell. Look, this is the SHIB chart as an example. In 11 days, you can see it was up 43%. There's a buy and there's a sell alert. So links in the description below if you want. $1,000 of bought would have made you $438 in profit in 11 days. The software works and runs on your cell phone. It'll also run on any desktop or any computer, everything like that. You can do it globally anywhere in the world. You can use it. And you can use it for any and all cryptos. Links in the description below. 30-day, no questions, money back guarantee. And there's a discount code down there as well. And the quarterly option is the best. Okay. So as I mentioned, we've seen a major dip in the last 36 to 48 hours. Is this something to be worried about? No, it's really not. Okay. To me, this is the sell off profit taking to kind of wrap up the month of September. Which, speaking of September, look at this 2024. Now, this is probably not the exact total final number. I haven't seen it, but this is close. It's in the neighborhood. If you look at 2024, we ended in September up over 7+%. Historically, if you look down at the very bottom where it says gray average for that month in September over the last 11 years, historically, September has been a bad month for crypto. Look at all of the red. So we actually defied the odds. There's only really been 4 years out of the last 11 where we've had a percentage gain move up, and we actually this was the biggest gain of those 4 years that are the green box. You see this green box, green box, green box. Yeah, so that was a good month, and I think part and parcel of it was the Bitcoin halving event. This being a Bitcoin halving year, I think was a big part of what we saw. We also have a kind of a different playing field. We have institutional money now with the Bitcoin ETFs and to an extent the Ethereum ETFs, but institutional money is here and it's leveled or changed the playing field a little bit. So, and now looking forward to October, November, and December, we are now again October 1. So this is kind of why I don't believe we're going to see any kind of a major suffering going on. We're here October. We've kind of reached the proverbial promised land. If you look at October and look at all the green for the last 10 plus years and look at the aggregate, the average September has been up 22, basically 23% average year over year in that last 10, 11 years. That's a good thing. We're going to see crypto major move up. And November, by the way, up 46%, December up 5%. So historically, the fourth quarter for crypto has been fantastic. It's been amazing, which is, again, kind of going back to the title on the top of the video, what's next for crypto? Up. Okay. We are going to be moving up. We're going to start seeing it. We're down a little bit. We're flat today. Not anything really to worry about. I'm not worried about it. In fact, I'm taking some opportunities. I'm picking up a little bit more Bitcoin at this 62,000. Buying some other assets because we are seeing some things down. Like right now, if you look at FTX, which is interesting, Celestia, Athenia, Jasmy, those are all kind of down. Some other things are down. So I'm going to be looking at buying a few assets and things of that nature. With that, thanks for giving me a few minutes. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Go make some money later. See ya.